Hey guys, it's Sally. I'm back with another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys a glow-in-the-dark slime that can actually glow in the dark. Guys, it can glow, but you're just going to have to see it. See. See, it's like glowing. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy this video today on It's Olivia's Incredible Life. And see you guys soon. Bye. Whoosh. Glow in the dark.